So we're just here at Pearson Airport. It's just after 1 a.m. in the morning. My friend Jemma's flight was a few hours delayed, but she should be coming out through these doors any minute now. It's Jemma! There we go, we're recording. Alright, we're on a road trip. We got Jemma here. And my parents in the front, and we are going road tripping. What are we gonna see? Well, they'll have to find out by watching the video. Okay. We're at our first stop here, which is a regular tub lock. So we're traveling around the Trent Severn today and showing my friend Jemma the lock system and how people can get their boats all the way from Lake Ontario up to Georgian Bay. You can see how far they're lowering the water down here from the level up here. The boats will be able to come in once it's the same level as the canal out there. So this is one of the ones that is still manual. They'll fill all this back up with water. And then the boats will be able to drive back out. Alright, we're at stop number 2, which is the Kirkfield lift lock. Do it again now. Here you go, Gemma's video bombing, I guess. There's a boat. So this is what it looks like underneath. This is the big hydraulics, and there's boats up in there, and it's just gonna come all the way down. And anyone who would have been in that one would be up at the other river. And then the boats will just drive out. So we're at Quaker Oaks Farm. This is Aden's farm, and he's taking us on a tour because it's nice and quiet right now. And so everyone's getting to see the garden where I was helping harvest.
Over here, more exciting thing right now that I have going on is that my watermelons are shaping up.
Oh, they're getting so big.
They're not quite there yet. They still have a bit of ways to go before they're actually ready to harvest. But coming along.
So this goose's name is Hannibal, and he's just following, keeping a close eye on us as we get our tour of the garden.
Popcorn at the back there.
Oh my gosh.
I have all sorts of stuff. 3 types of popcorn usually.
3 types of popcorn?
Yeah, I have black kernel popcorn, I have red kernel popcorn, and I have just your standard.
They all come
One box. No, they all popcorn.
They all come with.
Spout here.
Oh my lord.
Just gonna roll over for me here.
Oh my gosh.
And he's the runt of the litter.
And now we're all the way up here. get the boats to come up. We're at Big Chute Marina now. This is where the marine railway is. So it's going to come up. We've come to the very top deck to be able to watch it. Quiet.
Can I put it on cruise control and watch the thing go past?
Here we go. Yeah.
How'd that go? Oh, is this the waterproof feature?
It's supposed to be. They said it's waterproof on its own. And then if you want to like go like diving, you need to get a case. So, well, I'm just gonna put it underwater and see if it keeps filming. Yeah, it's still working. We're giving Jemma the full Canadian experience. A&W root beer being made into floats with Kawartha dairy ice cream. So much!
You're
I'm so
welcome.
excited! And what do you think of your first float?
Maybe better.
Yeah. Okay. Hi to Jemma. But she gets to stay here at the fancy Chelsea Hotel in downtown Toronto, so not